Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. How are you my dear children? Hope you all are fine. What have you been learning in these days? Yes, we are revising our chapters. The last day we have revised our second chapter. It is our second chapter. It's more multiplication. I hope you have practiced the multiplication tables, right? Yes, because multiplication table is very important. And hope you all have attended the test paper and sent it. Isn't it? Yes. So today I am going to conduct a revision test for the lesson 1, Shapes and Patterns. Because we have already revised this chapter before. Right? So today let us write a revision test based on this chapter. Children, I will read the questions one by one. Okay, are you ready for writing the revision test? Yes, let's start.
Section 1. Fill in the blanks. First question. A cylinder has dash curved face and dash flat faces. Your time starts now. Second question. A sphere has dash curved face. Your time starts now. Third question. Solid shapes that have only flat faces can dash, roll or slide. Your time starts now. Fourth question. A cuboid has dash flat faces. Your time starts now. Section 2. Answer the following questions. Fifth question. Write S for a straight line and C for a curved line. Your time starts now. Sixth question. Name the shape of each object. A. Brick. B. Orange. C. Birthday cap. Your time starts now. Next one, complete the pattern. Seventh question, 8, 18, 28, 38, dash, dash, dash. Your time starts now. Eighth question, 80, 70, dash, 50, dash, 30, dash, dash. Your time starts now. Next question. Fill in the blanks using the names of the shapes. A. An orange looks like a dash. Your time starts now. B. A juice can looks like a dash. Your time starts now. C. A wheel looks like a dash. Your time starts now. D. A door looks like a dash. Your time starts now. party cap looks like a dash. Your time starts now. F. A pair of dice looks like a dash. Your time starts now. G. A shoebox looks like a dash. Your time starts now.
Hope all of you can perform very well. Then you have to send your answers to the Gmail. I will mention the mail ID in the description box. Okay, children, study well and practice well. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.